If I were a phone, where would I be? Where did I put my phone? I just simply don't know. I have so much crap on here, I don't even know. Oh no. Phone? I don't have my phone, so I don't have a flashlight. This is a major problem. Hello? Phone? Well, luckily for me, I have the Oclip Pro S here. It is their latest model. It has 3 dimmers. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's my phone. And some other questionable things down here. Ugh. Oh, look. Bubbles. Now I have an everyday carry flashlight. That's the size of a finger, my phone, and some bubbles. Yay. Look, we've all been there. I don't need to tell you or give you an idea what I'm talking about, but we've all been there where we need a flashlight and we don't have one readily available. Luckily, this Oclip S is like the palm of my hand. It's got to be at least 30 grams, and it's super convenient. No more do I have to go around, whip out my phone, make sure I click the flashlight, and make sure I set myself up, have a flashlight like this. Oh, I'm looking for something? Oh, cool. Or I have to be like this, open a drawer in pitch blackness, and try to find what I'm looking for. And you know what? The phone no longer has to be a liability by just getting a everyday carry Oclip Pro S. I think this thing is super convenient, and I'll tell you something very interesting. Just in case you need an idea. If you are in a pinch and you have nowhere to clip it to, just a little bit of hair, if I have any hair at all. Do I have enough hair? I got a haircut, now this doesn't work. Oh, look at that. I have a portable headlight. Dun 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 dun. Look, 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 I have a headlight. It works. Need just a little bit more hair. If you have just a little bit more hair. Oh, I have a headlight. Pinch it to my shirt. Voila. Ooh. And it's really bright. I mean, just looking at this, for instance, now you can see the beam. That's the highest setting. You go to the lowest setting. That's the low. You can't see nothing. Next. Next. The low. So obviously the highest setting in broad daylight is visible. That's crazy for a little flashlight. And this is so, it has a nice magnet, so I can easily just go pop, or pop, or if I want to get a cool shot, pop, look at that. Right there, ready to go. But realistically, like if I'm doing some like shop work or something, or if I need like light above me, I think it's super unique to have a magnet. But the Oclip Pro S is an upgrade to its sister model. Look at that. Headlight. It has RGB. It has green. It has blue. It has UV, if you can even see that. All I know is you better be careful using UV in your home. You might find some unwanted things. Here's a little clip, and this is going to be my everyday carry. I can simply put it on my visor, good to go. I can put it on my Dunkin' iced coffee, good to go. I can put it on my magnetized phone mount, good to go. Maybe not, because it's not magnetized. But yeah, this little thing can go in my pocket, it can go on my vest, it can go on my shirt, it can go on my pants, it can go on my hair. As you previously saw, now I have a headlight and I'm good to go. Clip it onto your little dolly here, for instance. You can clip it onto your dolly and just choo-choo around, hands-free. Oh, right into a spider web. Oh, spider webs. Brutal. In this case, we're going low and slow. Away we go. Outside the realm of flashlights, this thing is pretty versatile. I mean, I'm lighting up this entire video, for instance, with just a flashlight. which is kind of crazy. This is obviously the highest setting, but it does have a claim of 144 hours on moonlight, which is, I guess, this setting, which is honestly all you need. Let's say you just needed it for something simple. I'm not trying to gaslight it at all. I think this is a phenomenal light for what it is. It's a USB-C, it's like $40 to $50, it's top of the line, and it's an everyday carry. And you know, it's smaller than a phone, and I'm okay with that. I love that factor. So if you're in the line or the market for a everyday carry flashlight, I would highly advise you or recommend that you go look up this product. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and I think you'll get lucky just like me and find some bubbles when you're looking for your phone in those dark spaces. Cool.